Welcome back to our channel, Money Matters, the place where we unlock the secrets to financial success. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into a topic that will change the way you think about money. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's get started. Picture this: you're sitting on a beach, sipping a cold drink, and enjoying the sunset. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be just a dream. Today, we're going to explore the powerful concept of financial freedom and how you can achieve it. Buckle up, because this is going to be a life-changing ride. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me share a story that will leave you amazed. Meet John, a regular guy working a 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck. He felt stuck, constantly stressed about money, until one day, everything changed. John discovered the secrets of investing, budgeting, and saving. Fast forward a few years, and John had achieved financial freedom. He now spends his days doing what he loves, without worrying about money. How did he do it? Stick around, because today, we're going to reveal his secrets. Main point 1: Investing. Let's start with one of the key pillars of financial freedom: investing. Many people shy away from it, thinking it's only for the wealthy. But here's the truth: anyone can invest and make their money work for them. From stocks and bonds to real estate and even cryptocurrency, the investment world is full of opportunities. We'll walk you through the basics, share some success stories, and provide practical tips to get you started on your investment journey. Main point 2: Budgeting. Now, let's talk about the foundation of financial success: budgeting. It's not the most glamorous topic, but trust me, it's a game changer. We'll explore the art of creating a budget that works for you, helping you track your income and expenses, prioritize your financial goals, and avoid unnecessary debt. I'll share some unique budgeting hacks that will make saving money feel like a breeze. Main point 3: Passive income. Have you ever wished you could earn money while you sleep? Well, with passive income streams, that dream can become a reality. We'll uncover various ways to generate passive income, such as creating and monetizing online content, investing in dividend stocks, or even starting a business. Imagine the possibilities when your money keeps working for you, even when you're not actively working. We'll show you how to make it happen. In conclusion, congratulations! You've just scratched the surface of the exciting world of financial freedom. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and shape your future. Join us next time on Money Matters, where we'll dive deeper into the secrets of wealth creation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an episode packed with valuable insights and tips. Together, we'll embark on a journey towards financial empowerment and success. But before we go, I want to leave you with one last thought. Financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about creating a life that's aligned with your values and passions. It's about having the freedom to pursue your dreams, take care of your loved ones, and make a positive impact on the world. So, are you ready to unlock the door to financial freedom? Stay tuned, because on Money Matters, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, your financial future starts now. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy and keep chasing your dreams. See you soon. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes. Take care and see you next time.